Hello?
Hello?
Papa, where you there now?
I don't come out. I go see one of my chairman and I don't know when I will come back.
Yeah, and after one party they come back. I carry rice and chicken, me and you chop. No wahala na, since you know they na my chop am na.
The team pay me, oh, I no go lie.
Hello my people on a day within the sub. It's your boy OBIKING and I'm back again with one of the best comedy reaction you've ever seen. You get. So what you just have to do for me is to make sure to watch to the very end. You get. And then subscribe if you're yet to do that. Drop nice comments. And above all, share this video. It's very important. You feel me? So my people, the play. Let's go have some fun.
I'm tired of you. Leave my house.
Please now, please.
Go back to your country.
Please now.
You don't finally go to
You did not want to wash plates. You don't want to wash my underwear, my pants. You don't want to clean my shoe.
I will clean.
I'm tired. All the plates are dirty. You don't want to wash them.
Wash plate now. Wash the last plates.
No, you don't want to wash the main plates. You go back to this your Chinedu's country.
If not that plate,
Go back to that time station.
I will go. I don't want that kind of plates.
You don't wash plates.
I'm the traditional man. I don't want that kind
You know what? These your papers that you're looking for, you will not get it.
No man.
Go back. Go and suffer.
Poor man picking, you don't wash plates.
So much poor man picking crowd. I know the last comment of it.
Just I know watch this place too.
Pluto, so you still get your singlet, go UK.
If I wash plate, I'll get papers.
Thunder fire you.
Woman, our enemy.
No response.
I'm going through a lot this period.
Mommy,
I never told you another. My face is down. The baby is waiting up. Mama Nduka, what's happened? Can you imagine this my picking Nduka? Where I said since morning, their school they close around 12. I tell and say, if one school don't close, enter Pepe make a shop, make you go collect this tidy wellness total detoxity where I order from Instagram because of my acute waist pain. Because this medicine they very good. It they good for total body detoxification and they cure pie. People when they go toilet, when they feel go toilet freely, it they cure them for infection and weight loss. This medicine now obonga one way everybody need. Mama and Papa they need them. Nduka there for there. They play ball since morning. Can you imagine? You see, what did I go to you today? No wahala. But what is your picking can do now?
Oh, I no fear. Every day this one go get school uniform. Come on, they no say this one no they go school. For 2 weeks now, they don't they see this one for school. If not, be saying I'm boy, I go this I pick you from plywood. But no worry, my friend. I go finish them today. These children, I mean get them. I go handle them. What tell me this one? Oh, you think as you run come here, you don't escape, Abby? No, don't worry. Handle my picking, make a handle your picking. Oh yeah, you kneel down and stretch out your hand. What's this?
I'm set for this place.
You kneel down and stretch out your leg. What's this?
Madam, a small boy up there won't shoot my leg. Now go meet your mama. Now go meet my mama. I don't know if your mama has someone now. Mommy flog me.
Hey, this is
the guy. The general.
Shifu General. I hear say you just come back from China. You know if see me, you can't see men. Anyways, now maybe the baddest swordman from Delta State to Zoro Kingdom. Now we be the big heart. Anyway, I just say make a contest how you good since I don't hear about you. Here, free sword for you.
I don't want to fight you.
They play.
You no get choice.
You gotta try, don't cut it close.
You get locked in the back of the sword I use. Oh boy, you should say no go run.
Back of the sword, though, nice. this general has something else. I don't see this guy is serious.
Jesus.
Finish him. I'm finishing Ndu.
Shifu, you bad. 2027. Now you go help us end bad governance.
That's why I said I go food and they take end bad governance.
Please, wake up.
What's happened? Jesus! Brother. No, but sorry. Actually, what happened? I told her, don't bring me to your boyfriend's house. She brought me here. Why are you doing this?
Babe, this is not my boyfriend I told you about that is a Curtis. I told you I don't want him again. Please get up and fight for me. He's dangerous, so.
Yeah,
and you said you stand by me. Stand up and prove it.
Who goes see them mad?
Bro, this girl says she doesn't want you again. What are you still doing here? Body go tell you. Bro, it's not by bringing up chest. I have chest, oh. Don't play with me, oh. Is it gone?
Go and ask your grandfather.
This person where they see so, will they use karate? They catch bullets. No matter what they shoot for this place.
Okay.
Out of this place now! How dare you? Stainless, they talk to you. You there they stand. This girl says she don't want you. Okay, come up for this place now.
Please forgive me. I never knew you are this strong, eh?
Babe, now, what's up now? I'm trying to bring this guy down. You're still crying and be your same babe. Which one is babe now? What?
Brodda! Please, you actually deceived me. I'm sorry. Please find it.
Sabinus, they don't shoot you, they don't fight you.
Bros, what am I doing there now?
Mumu, they don't shoot.
If the spirit is here and the body is there, what does it mean?
It means you are gone.
Hey, don't kill me. Jesus! Sabinus, why you are? Jesus, bros, you get man shoot me because of woman. You see man. She's still begging him. See who I fight for.
Shaggy, I no gree again. Shaggy, I no gree again. Why they do like this? I go beg you now. I no go fit listen to. Nothing you go take make you no leave this house today. Huh? Don't they beg me? See, just give me 2 months. Pay me. Maybe today. You must leave my house. I don't lie for you before. Why you down? Why you to harass my friend like this?
You don't put for trouble.
You dey crazy. They rush share butter for you. You know, say that my landlord dey follow. I saw them what? That's the police like say one kind small criminal. Shaggy, sir. You dey owe me. You come to this weekend and insult me, join body. No, insult you. This one. Okay, I beg. Okay, you see as you dey like this, you just come up for your bad left.
Who are you?
See, Shaggy, I no get on a time. If I come back, either my money or you leave my house. Okay, I don't see you now. What did they do now? How much be the money, sir? Just how much be the money, sir? You get 200k. Wait, what? Just 200k. In fact. Send me your account number. Make I send my account number. Send me your account number. Make I do 20k for you, Jesus.
20k from 200k.
He said, wait, I didn't hear you.
20k. Blood of Jesus. $20k, I be 20k. Which one be 20k dollars? I mean, so now because of 20,000 naira, now you dey follow my landlord. What I mean, no one. I don't like to shout. No, wala. Say that first.
May say that first before you go tell her what's in your mind.
Hey! Shaggy! How many zero for 20k? How many zero? 20k? Now 4-0 now. Hey! I want to 20k give you.
Jesus!
The Lord has done it.
Finally.
Yes! I didn't make a mistake. Why you not gonna make that kind of mistake? See, he said they use OPay. If I pay you. Oh no. Because OPay get one feature where they call large transaction shield. You go set your limit, whether na daily limit or weekly limit. If you send money where don't pass that limit, OPay go alert you. They go block you until you use your face ID. Where they know say okay, oh, now you. Because any money where they there, you gotta know before you come out. Come, make I come shout you. Check us as they talk now. Yes. They do my OPay security vote challenge. Do a video of yourself. Talk about the best fish. Come post out for social media. tag Brodda Shaggy, tag OP.
So
if you don't post, I can't use hashtag my OP security vote. If you dey part of the 50 people wey go win plenty prizes, move us. Hold on. Wait, make I go meet Lalo, make I ask her whether the money don't enter.
Wait, come. Send my money for me first.
Okay, that. Well, I know I'll call your account.
You want to send that for you don't change you.
You don't know that money they talk. Now so money they change. Now so money they change. Call your account, make I send it to you.
If I yes, say you send that back.
Respect yourself.
Shaggy, wait.
You dey want?
Whoa, I'm late tonight.
Good morning, sir.
Yeah, morning. How are you, ma?
I'm fine, sir.
Ma, I'm late to work, eh? I'll be back in like 4 hours, okay? Make sure you take care of yourself. Be a good boy, yo. Ma, you're hungry. Okay, no problem. Just enter the kitchen, eh? Whatever you see there, eat and enjoy yourself. Make sure you don't scatter the house, oh. Okay? Be a good boy. I'll be right back, huh?
Bye. Go blow the house. 4 hours later.
Uncle, are you back?
Yeah, I'm back. Ma, how are you?
I'm fine.
Good boy. So tired. Let me, man. Oh, God.
Make a big surprise for you.
You made a surprise for me?
Yes.
Okay, come bring it. Let's see. Look at him now. He made a surprise for me. Ima, you fried meat?
Yes, nah.
I hope you did not burn this house, oh.
I did not burn the house, 50 years experience. Uncle, I'm a good chef, oh. Now you don't know.
Ima, you?
Yes.
Let me take one.
If I hear say it's sweet.
Ima, this is lovely.
Let me run now.
Go and bring Cooper and so that you eat the remaining one.
What?
What's Cooper name? I said go and bring Cooper so that you eat the remaining one. My puppy dog.
Dog.
Hey, nine dog you
So you mumu like this and not know. This boy, you foolish like this and not know.
Na dog you kill, na dog you take do meat. Okay, fine what you go cook, you know see. No be Gadu's be this.
No be Gadu's be this.
Na Gadu so bro.
Am I okay?
I'm not okay, I'm not okay.
What is it?
Na Cooper kill.
Now the dog in the shop.
My dog?
Jesus.
Beg now.
You might give my dog to eat?
Jesus.
Now you say may you chop anything when you see.
Jesus.
Now you say may you take
If
anything.
like say I go start to they invite many of them, they come where they eat food. Now that's how you go know say the way they see us from that side, not be so we really dey for this side. I go start to the invite many of them, they come where they eat food. That's how you go know say, bro, I they eat food surplus. I get bread. If you come where they eat food, you must laugh because bread. I get bread. Money day. Not be say carry talk.
Okay, no wahala. Later now.
My friend, what's up, beg?
No wahala. Oh, hello, Papa. Hello, Papa. Hello, Papa. That's my Congo. Yeah, call her for phone. Hello?
Hello?
Hello, Papa, where are you there now?
I don't come out. I go see one of my chairman and I don't know when I will come back. Oh.
Yeah, and from one party they come back. Agkaay rice and chicken, make me and you chop.
Hey!
No wahala na. Since you know they na my chop am na.
Hey! Hey, voila! Hey, and the guy I better friend. Look, Papa, you be the bad guy.
The team pay me, oh, I no go lie.
They drink your garden and make chop the chicken.
My customers, this is the car. Everything now, 400,000, buy and drive.
400,000 car.
400,000? Yes. Right. Engine dey the car, everything for the car they work, buy and drive.
No be in get car.
Opportunity comes but once, so which kind of opportunity?
Oh, yeah, number. Wait.
Oh, Jesus.
How can I do this? I was money cheap. Nico,
When it's too good to be true.
million naira for market. This boy wants to say you 400,000.
When it's too
If you be saying they take drug,
True.
that's what they do. Which drug? If you
have
look
to
this boy head, you go know
open
say this
your
boy
eyes.
na armed robber. The way they look this boy, if he be ex-convict, if he don't steal that car, make I tell you. If you don't ready to buy car, Nico, the best thing to do now to contact J Majestic Autos, maybe the #1 car company for China. Now them be the surest plug ever. See, make I tell you, once you make your payment with them, 8 weeks, bam, your car don't land Nigeria, then go come knock your door like this, give you the car. See, wait, now make I tell you, if you go to their Instagram page, J Majestic Autos, you go see all the business they don't do with better customer review, no complaint, no Sam zone. You see this car? Now God give me this one.
Mama, you see this your friend? This your friend, the enemy of progress. Now this guy friends no go give me progress in life.
You don't make a driver for my life. This
How?
guy.
You dey sell this kind car for 100K.
I know they sell it.
No vex now. Let me one
Get the
What
price.
rubbish is that? Nico, I don't lie for you before.
I will do transfer for me, make I come out here, Joe.
Put your account number.
You are like a brother to me, oh.
Buy from J Majestic Autos,
Get the
Nicolas.
papers now. You know even put paper.
Congrats.
You know open car. You know look the car where you want.
You see,
Latest car owner. God did. Enjoy, yeah.
don't make a driver for my life.
Nico, you know possible.
Get up from here.
Car, no get issue.
If you go up, you know I go leave you at the go.
You enter inside the car.
Sorry. Oh boy. No, buy something to celebrate this car. You see, yes, for them, my estate, they go believe. Ah! I'll get it there. Who there? Yeah. Give me a Fanta and Coke with crackers.
What be small celebration? I no believe say car of 400,000 go they move.
Ah, the car they move.
You say let me say car 400,000 go they move.
What happened? Come, baby. What happened? You don't put them for back.
I mean, drive the car. I don't put them for back. What that bastard don't sell this car for you?
You say you don't put them for back. Now you drive.
You don't hear.
My guy don't enjoy himself.
Who will call me? Ah, my customer.
You won't buy another one?
Customer, this guy can't come send me now. Ah, what happened now? Reduce your voice now. Can't be missed. Nobody knows I can't be missed. What in the time for there? What is the center with this say they tell you now? Eh? That's the first business now.
After 5. Now you custom now. What you still the fire outside by after 5? See, that car once you don't knock 5.
You know where the back and where people they see am. The car na very shy car. It dey shine.
That's fire rope. Fire rope.
For there, tie am. Keep am for there.
Take a fire rope.
Okay, I don't tell you fire rope. Tie am. That car na very shy car. You know they like see strangers.
Hello? You don't cut the car. How will they do it? Put that car, please.
Car they go back. Enter inside now. I even think say maybe na car wey dey steal. Say police go catch them or something. Only papa na so chop in the chop for this film. Agkaay Sabinus. Agkaay Sabinus.
Is she the call? Hello? Eh? Hola! Nana! I go.
Okay. Your fish. What happened now? What's wrong with you?
Oh, my name is smart, you know. Gee.
Okay, come back though.
Okay, what happened now? I hope everything is okay. The way you ran away.
Madam, that's my emergency. This will not allow me enjoy myself. Hey, that my fish, eh? Make them put them for takeaway. I won't carry and go ask.
Sabinus! Put that fish for takeaway.
Fish where Sabinus
don't
don't chop
don't come now.
You see, you are a thief.
Fish where Sabinus don't
You
chop.
are a thief. Simple.
This guy don't get sense again. Don't see anybody want that. Don't see anybody want that.
So you mumu like this and not know.
I don't even understand any single thing where these people do. I just try to see a person they try get this person password, but this one they try get this way. But what actually happened, I can't even see. Like I don't even understand at all. I don't understand. At least thank God say this one day for the last part. You get it. Anyways, thanks my people for watching to the very end. What's your favorite part of the video? Because I know Siona definitely, at least I know you would have enjoyed yourself, you would have liked it. You get. So tell me your favorite part of the video. And in case you're coming across my channel for the very first time, or you don't watch since you never subscribe, I don't know what's in the worry. Subscribe, guys. Subscribe. They're very important. And check out my other videos as well. There's so many of them on my channel. Check them out. You like them. You understand? So my people, thanks for watching and see you in my next video. Peace and love.